Have you ever visited a zoo and met animals from around the world? Today, let's go on an unforgettable adventure together. The morning sun was bright and warm. Mia opened her eyes and smiled. Today was not an ordinary day. Today, her family was going to the zoo. She jumped out of bed, pulled on her clothes, and ran to pack her bag. She put in a water bottle, a hat, a camera, a sandwich, and some fruit. Her mother checked her backpack and said, "Stay close to us and be kind to the animals." Her father smiled and added, "Animals are living creatures. We should watch them with respect." Mia nodded. She was ready. Soon, the family got into the car. Happy music played on the radio, and the road seemed shorter than usual. Mia looked out the window and watched trees, houses, and birds passing by. She could hardly wait. At the zoo entrance, many families were smiling. Children were laughing. Birds flew overhead in the blue sky. A friendly worker handed Mia a colorful zoo map. She held it carefully, like a treasure map. The adventure had begun. The first stop was the elephant area. Mia saw a giant elephant standing near the water. It had a long trunk, big ears, thick gray skin, and strong legs. The elephant looked large and heavy, but also very gentle. Suddenly, it lifted its trunk and sprayed water into the air. The guide said, "An elephant uses its trunk to eat, drink, smell, and spray water." Mia repeated the word trunk softly. It was a new word, and she liked it. Next, the family walked to the giraffe area. There they saw a tall giraffe with a long neck and brown spots. It reached up to a tree and ate fresh leaves with its long tongue. Mia looked up and smiled. The giraffe was so tall that it seemed to touch the sky. The guide said, "Giraffes use their necks to reach leaves high in the trees." Mia pointed and said, "Look over there. That is amazing." Then came the monkeys. They were small, quick, and playful. They jumped from tree to tree and climbed anywhere they could. One monkey grabbed a banana and ran with it. The children burst out laughing. Mia laughed too. One little monkey paused and flicked its tail, as if it knew it was very funny. The guide explained that monkeys are active animals who love to play and explore. Mia learned the word climb and said it again and again. After that, the family walked quietly to the lion area. A lion was sleeping under a tree in the shade. It looked calm and strong. Mia whispered, "Is that the king of the jungle?" The guide smiled and said, "Yes, many people call the lion the king because it is powerful and brave." Just then, the lion opened its eyes and gave a deep roar. Roar! Mia jumped back for a moment, then laughed when she saw everyone else smile. The lion had a big mane and a very strong voice. It was impressive. The next animal was one Mia had never seen before in real life. Penguins. They were cute and fast. Some swam quickly through cold water, while others slid across the ice like tiny black and white rockets. A few dived into the water to catch fish. The guide said, "Penguins have feathers, and they live in very cold places." Mia repeated, "Swim, ice, cold, love fish." The words felt easy and fun. At feeding time, the zookeeper came with special food for the animals. Visitors watched carefully. The keeper explained that animals should only be fed by trained workers. Mia listened closely.